In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing a Quip document. If you've shared a Quip doc with teammates and need to pull back access, the process is quick and precise. We're focusing on removing specific people who previously received access directly from you, so this will help when you know exactly who should no longer see the document. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to manage sharing on the document. Typically, you'll need to be the owner or have edit rights to change access. Start by opening the Quip document you shared. It's important to open the exact document you want to manage, not a folder or a workspace page, so you're updating the right place. Once the document is open, look to the top right of the page and click the Share button. This is your hub for controlling who can view or edit the content. When the sharing dialog opens, you'll see a list of the people who currently have access. You may see their names, photos, or initials, and the level of access they've been granted, such as view or edit. This list reflects direct sharing, so it's a clear view of who you've invited individually. To stop sharing with someone, find their name in the list and click the remove icon, which looks like an X, next to their name. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm the removal. The moment you do this, their permission is revoked immediately. They won't be able to open the document anymore, and if they had it open, their access will end as soon as the page refreshes or they try to interact with it. Nothing in your document is deleted by removing someone. You're simply changing who can reach it. If you don't see an X next to a person, that usually means you don't have the right to modify sharing for that entry, or they aren't listed as a direct invitee. In that case, double-check that you're viewing the correct document and that you have sufficient permissions to manage access. Take a moment to review the list and ensure you've removed everyone who no longer needs access. When you're done, you can close the sharing dialog and continue working. If you ever remove the wrong person by mistake, don't worry. You can always adjust sharing again later. That's all there is to it. Open the document, click Share, review the list, and remove the people you no longer want to have access. It's a fast, clean way to keep your Quip document limited to exactly the right audience.